Hey guys, how's it going? So I just wanted to do a quick review for this Havit RGB cooling pad that I just got here. It's fully compatible with laptops up to 17-inch. So I have a 16-inch MacBook Pro, and this is the cooling pad for it. You know, the MacBook gets kind of hot sometimes, so especially if you're watching videos or doing certain programs, it gets kind of hot. So this is the cooling pad here. It fits really well on the 16-inch MacBook. There's plenty of space on here and it cools it really well. So how it works is in the back, here, just let me put that down. So how it works in the back here, it has a little dial that you choose if you want it on or not and how much you would like to cool it. So you can just do a little bit or a lot. The more you do it up, the brighter the lights shine to show you that it's on there. It has two USB ports in the back here. Comes with a USB here. It comes with just a little USB here. This little blue one. It's about 2 feet long. You can hook that one up into your laptop. For me personally, I bought like a 12-foot extension cable off Amazon for like 10 bucks. Because I figured, you know, if I'm trying to cool my laptop down, why would I plug the cord of the cooling pad into my laptop to take more power, right? So I just bought a extension here so I can do it anywhere in the house, and I'll show you here. So I just got my like 12-foot extension USB, and I got it plugged into the wall over there. So I just connected that over there. You can get those for 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for both of these items here that I got off Amazon. Something cool about this one here, it has like 15 different settings. Press the button here and it has like 15 different settings for different colors that it does. I have all the lights on here so can't see it perfectly well, but if the lights are off, it's super cool. But yeah, it's got like 15 different light settings, all these different ones. Really cool. Looks really good, looks cool in the laptops out there, and most importantly, it works really well. Cools the laptop really good. You know, my laptop gets really hot when I'm doing video editing or certain things, but when you got this cooler here, oh, you can do anything and it'll cool it right down. So just wanted to do a quick review and say this laptop pad was awesome. All in all, it was like 60 or 70 bucks. Well worth it, well worth it. So till next time.